What's the sweetest thing a partner has done for you? I was having an awful week at work, and my husband, who pretty forgetful, kept saying he'd figure out something to cheer me up. I didn't expect much since he usually forgets these promises. On Friday, which was also our anniversary, which he usually forgets, he surprisingly took the day off and texted saying he ordered food for me. When I got home, there were 6 different takeout containers of mac and cheese from different restaurants. Turns out he couldn't remember which place I said had my favorite comfort food, so he just ordered from all of them. He looked so nervous when I opened them all. Started explaining how he meant to cancel the extras, but got confused with all the delivery apps. Then as we were cuddling on the couch doing our taste test, he shifted and something fell out of his pocket. It was a ring that he had apparently been carrying around all day, completely forgotten. He got so flustered, saying this wasn't how he planned to give it to me, and he had this whole speech prepared but forgot about the ring in his pocket. The way he stumbled through explaining made it even more adorable.